Hey guys, I just got back home from Walmart and I got me this Shark cordless pet perfect XL. For some reasons why I got this, because I was gonna get the Hoover floor mate, but they didn't sell Hoover floor mate at Walmart. But hopefully I will get one soon. It says it got 25% more suction than the leading hand vac. Twister suction technology, limited ion fast charge battery, comes with the crevice tool, it comes with the motorized pet hair brush, which is like this. It's perfect for pet hair, dust and dander, easy to use stairs and upholstery. You see what it says right here. This is whereby you guys can see the pet hair. So, alright, so let's unbox. Let's see what it's got in here. Here's the instructions. Hey. It comes with the crevice tool.
Awesome. Dude, I'd rather use that than a sweep.
Yeah.
I hate sweeping.
Here's the charger.
Did you tell them that's my Shark?
No. Denise, get them out.
Come on, out.
Here's
I can't hear you.
Here's the pet hair brush. Looks nice. Open that up, and here's the main unit. There's nothing really else. Alright, so we'll unwrap the cord. Oops. We'll take a little thing off. Looks nice. Looks really nice. Oh, cool. That looks pretty nice. Okay, so we'll unwrap the crevice tool. Unwrap the charger. So yeah, looks really nice. It's got a little dirt cup here. Hold on a sec. If I could try to... Oh. So yeah, that's really, really cool. Oh, and another thing. I got me some vacuum bags for the Hoover. They did not sell the vacuum bags for the Eureka. So I really thought that they was gonna have those at Walmart, but they don't. So I got me some of this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on the Hoover. If I could get all my stuff. If I could try to, hold on. If I could try to get all my stuff here. Well, go just, hold on a sec, I'll be back. So here's the Hoover. So now let's open up the vacuum bags. See what it looks like. So I don't look too bad. Okay. Well, nice. Okay. So Oh god, I don't know how to turn this. Hold on a sec. Oh man, that smells too good. Oops. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So now, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the machine. So, let's turn it around. Put it right on the machine. So, matter of fact, I'm gonna lay this down. Put it on. Alright. Alright. So the bag is on. Alright, I'm gonna pause and get back with you guys.